welcome in English class. So in previous video we will discuss about what is noun. Noun are naming words. Noun is the name of person, place, animals or things. In today's class we will discuss about what is common noun and what is proper noun. So let us start our class with the definition of common noun and proper noun. So let's see what is the definition of common noun. Common noun are the names of person, place, animals or things. They do not have a specific name. Common noun do not start with capital letter. But one thing is very important. But if it comes in the beginning of the sentence, then you should use capital letter. This is the definition of common noun. Now let's see what is the definition of proper noun. Proper noun are the specific name of person, place, animals or things. So proper noun has their specific name, but common noun has not their specific name. Now I will give you some example to clarify what is the common noun and what is proper noun. So dear student, here I have some fruits. Here I have some fruits. So fruits is the example of common noun and banana is the example of what is this? This is a banana and banana is a specific name. So banana is the example of proper noun and watermelon. Watermelon is the example of proper noun because it has their specific name. Now I will give you one more example. I have biscuit. Biscuit is the example of common noun but it has specific name. Good day. So good day is the example of proper noun. Now dear student, I have some books. I have some books and every book has their specific name. So this is the English grammar book. So English grammar is the example of proper noun and books is the example of common noun. Now I give you one more example. I have a toy. I have a toy. What is this? This is a toy. So toy is the example of common noun and this toy name is Motu. So Motu is the example of proper noun. Now children, I have one more example. What is this? This is a medicine and every medicine has their specific name. So let's see. Medicine is the example of common noun. And let's see what is the name of this medicine. Dolo 650. So Dolo is the example of proper noun and medicine is the example of common noun. So dear student, we will discuss about common noun and proper noun. So I will show you some more example of common noun and proper noun. Here is the picture of lots of building or monuments. So monuments is the example of common noun and the name of this building is Taj Mahal. So Taj Mahal is the example of proper noun. Now children, one more example is here. These are the animals and animals is the example of common noun. And what is the name of this animal? The name of this animal is Bengal tiger. So Bengal tiger is the example of proper noun and animal is the example of common noun. So I hope you all know very well what is common noun and what is proper noun. So today's homework, write any 5 example of common noun and any 5 example of proper noun. So do it in your English copy. Thank you children.